So in the introduction, AI improves customer service by monitoring performances of agent in real time. It assessing the quality of communication, protocol compliance, and customer satisfaction with immediate feedback and customized training. So because of the continuous monitoring, it will provide a better and consistent customer experience for the clients. The role of AI in maintaining quality standards. The first one is NLP, or natural language processing. So it's a branch of AI that allows computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human language, just like chatbots. So the second one is machine learning. So it's a type of AI that enables system to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly or programmed.
So here are the benefits of using AI in call center performance management. First, real-time agent performance monitoring. With AI, supervisors can instantly track how agents are doing, helping them identify issues and offer support right away. Next, AI-enhanced call center agent performance scorecards. These scorecards use smart analysis to give accurate, data-driven insights into each agent's strengths and areas for improvement. Next, AI-powered dashboards. These dashboards organize all key performance data into one place, making it easier to make informed decisions and spot trends quickly. Next, with Next, automated and personalized agent coaching. AI can identify specific training needs for each agent and deliver tailored coaching sessions, saving time while boosting skill development. Then we have enhanced performance reviews. With AI analyzing patterns and data, reviews become more objective, detailed, and fair, helping agents grow and feel valued. And last, improve operational efficiency. AI handles repetitive tasks and analyzes large volume of data quickly, allowing managers and agents to focus more on quality service and less on manual work.
Personalized training recommendation. First, tailored learning paths based on the performance data. AI continuously evaluation and performance trends to recommendation customer learning journey. Second, microlearning modules triggered by specific gaps increase the retention and engagement by delivering just-in-time learning. Support the continuous skills development. Engage the cultural and ongoing improving and taught by regular data in driving feedback. Tools and real-time in feedback monitoring. In Line 7, implementing in Line 7 can be lead of the improving operational efficiency and enhance to customer satisfaction and more the engagement of framework. Call miner. It's a widely used the call center improving the agent performance, ensure the companies and customer experience. Nice and in contact. In a good code based with contact call center planner and designed to the help of business management of improving the customer interaction and the across the voice, email, chat, and SMS and social media.
Performance evaluation. So first one is tracks agent behavior and communication skills. So this means monitor how agents interact with customers and follow protocols. Next is compare against benchmark and historical data. Measure current performance against standards and past results. Last one is highlight strengths and areas for improvement. Identify what the agent does well and where they can improve. So conclusion, in short, AI boosts agent performance by providing real-time feedback, identifying gaps, and offering personalized training. This leads to better productivity, higher service quality, and improved customer satisfaction.